Today I am going to show you how to unlock or reset the BIOS password in any computers or laptops. Step number 1. Shut down your computer or laptop. Step number 2. Open your device using screwdriver and remove the battery cell. Step number 3. Now try to locate the coin cell on the motherboard of computer and remove it gently. Step number 4 is very essential, so do accordingly. After removing the coin cell, now keep pressing on the power button for at least 30 seconds. And now leave the computer without touching for 10 to 15 minutes. Step number 5. Reinstall or put back the coin cell and battery. Finally, press on the power button and press F2 key simultaneously. Now you will see this window pop-ups and this show your password is reset. I hope this video helped you and saved your money going to technicians. Please help me in turn by subscribing and liking my videos. Thank you, folks.